Okay, we're going to find the slope-intercept equation. First, we'll find the slope. To find the slope, we're going to do a keep and change. Keep and change and keep and change. So slope is going to equal the keep and change on the right side. So we'll keep the 2. Let's change all this to black here. Keep the 2 and change the -4 to +4. On the left side, we're going to keep the 8 and change the +4 to a -4. As a result, when we simplify, we'll get a 6 over 4. Let's divide by 2, and this simplifies to a 3 over 2. Okay, now we're going to take the equation y equals mx plus b, and we're going to plug in our numbers here. The y, that's going to be the 2. The m, that's going to be 3 over 2. And the x will be here, will be the 8, and then plus the b. Okay, now we're going to simplify this. 3 over 2 multiplied with an 8 over 1. And when you multiply, you're going to get 24 over 2. (24 over 2 simplifies to a 12 because 24 can be divided by 2. And from here, we're going to solve for b by subtracting this 12 from both sides. Okay, same signs add, but different signs subtract. So this is going to be 12 take away 2, which is 10. The bigger sign wins, so that's -10. U equals, this goes away, and then it's b. So b is 10. So we're going to write y, the equals, but instead of the m here, we're going to write the 3 over 2 with the x plus, oh, sorry, instead of plus b, we're going to put in -10. And that's our equation. Okay, once again. All right, so we're going to find the slope. We're going to do a keep and change. And then on the left side, a keep and change. So from the right side, we're going to keep the -7 and change the -8 to a +8. On the bottom, we're going to keep our -4 and change our -8 to a +8. Okay. This is going to give us a +1 and a +4. And that's our slope. Those need to be simplified. So we'll start off with y equals mx plus b. And the y, we'll get the y from right here. That'll be -7. We'll get the m from right here, which will be 1 over 4. We'll get our x here from here, which will be a -4. And then plus b. So this will be a -7 equals 1 over 4. This will be a -4 over 1 plus b. And then we can multiply 1 times -4 and get -4. And multiply 4 times 1 and get 4 plus b. Okay. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we're going to get a 1 here. And a negative divided by a positive is negative. And plus b. Now I'm going to solve for b by saying +1 here, +1 there. We're going to get -6 equals b. So as a result, we're going to have our y equals, instead of m, we're going to use 1/4. Then we're going to use the x. And then instead of the b plus b, we're going to use minus 6. And that's our linear equation.